AI will replace all jobs and cause unemployment. False AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them entirely. According to a study by McKinsey, while automation could displace up to 800 million jobs worldwide by 2030, it will also create 200 to 300 million new roles. 1. Embrace AI in your industry and learn to collaborate with AI tools effectively. 2. Upskill and reskill yourself for the jobs of the future that AI will create. 3. Advocate for policies that encourage responsible AI development and job restructuring. In the healthcare sector, AI is used to diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than humans, but it also helps doctors by freeing up their time for more complex tasks. AI will change the nature of work, not eliminate it. AI is too complex to understand and therefore untrustworthy. Partially false. While AI systems can be complex, they are designed to make decisions based on data and algorithms that are transparent and explainable. Tools like LIME Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations and SHAP Shapley Additive Explanations can provide insights into how an AI model is making its predictions. 1. Learn about explainable AI and its tools to gain a better understanding of how AI makes decisions. 2. Advocate for the adoption of explainable AI in your organization. 3. Use these tools to build trust with stakeholders and improve the performance of AI systems. In finance, explainable AI can help regulators understand the decision-making process of an AI model, ensuring compliance with regulations and building trust with customers. AI is not inherently untrustworthy, but it requires transparency to build trust. AI is only for large organizations with deep pockets. False AI technologies are becoming increasingly accessible and affordable, even for small businesses and individuals. Cloud-based platforms like Google's AutoML and Microsoft's Azure Machine Learning provide a user-friendly interface for building and deploying AI models without the need for extensive technical expertise or large investments in infrastructure. 1. Explore these platforms to gain hands-on experience with AI. 2. Collaborate with other organizations to pool resources and share knowledge about AI. 3. Advocate for government policies that support the development and adoption of AI, especially for small businesses and individuals. A small bakery in San Francisco used AutoML to develop an AI model that predicts customer preferences based on weather data, helping them optimize their inventory and reduce waste. AI is not just for large corporations, it's accessible to everyone. By embracing AI, learning how to collaborate with it, and advocating for responsible development and adoption, you can stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Hook Artificial Intelligence AI is transforming industries and reshaping our world, yet many misconceptions persist about this powerful technology. Debunking these myths is crucial for understanding AI's potential benefits and overcoming any reservations you may have. Why it matters. Understanding the truth behind common myths about AI can help individuals and organizations make informed decisions about adopting and collaborating with AI. By embracing AI, learning how to work effectively with it, and advocating for responsible development and adoption, you can stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Table of Contents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mini Case Study 9. Common Misconceptions Pitfalls 10. Recap 13. FAQ 14. CTA AI always makes perfect decisions. False AI systems are not infallible and can make mistakes, especially when they are trained with imperfect data or biased algorithms. Regular testing, monitoring, and updating of AI models is essential to ensure their continued accuracy and effectiveness. 1. Develop a system for regularly testing and evaluating your AI models. 2. Implement feedback loops to continuously improve the performance of your AI systems. 3. Ensure that your data is diverse, unbiased, and representative to minimize errors in AI decision-making. An AI model used for loan approvals may make biased decisions if it is trained on historical data that disproportionately represents one demographic over another. AI is not infallible. It requires ongoing maintenance and monitoring to ensure its accuracy. AI can replace creativity and emotional intelligence. False AI systems are designed to perform tasks based on data and algorithms, but they lack the ability to think creatively or exhibit emotional intelligence. Humans will continue to play a crucial role in creating, innovating, and empathizing with others. 1. Collaborate with AI tools to augment your creative process and explore new ideas. 2. Encourage emotional intelligence in AI systems by training them on diverse and empathetic data sets. 3. Foster a culture that values human creativity and emotional intelligence over AI automation. In the field of advertising, AI can help analyze consumer trends and suggest potential strategies, but it cannot create the emotional appeal or creative execution of an advertisement. AI complements human creativity and emotional intelligence, rather than replacing them.